Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast at Motto by Hilton, Rotterdam Blaak. Got the Diamond member recognition on the key card, which includes free breakfast. Got some water bottles in the room already here. And they brought what they called local candies to the room. Here by the bed, some caramel and something else looks like Babylars. King bed in this area. No nightstands. There's a little cubby at the top. Large television on the side. Not much of a view here. It's just the street. I'm on the ground level that had this upgraded king bed room. Couch area that transforms into a sofa bed and lighting on the side with a foot pedal. Ample space for luggage. Side chair, classic side chair. Closet space. Open both sides, two separate closets. Laundry bag. We'll see about on-site laundry if they have coin operated. This side, coffee maker. Looks like an espresso. Yes, it is Nespresso. It has the Nespresso pods. Safe, steamer, hair dryer, extra towels. Safe on the bottom, and a mini fridge as well. See if anything is inside. Nothing inside. Very spacious, no trap. Mini bar. Hand soap, skin lotion, and glassware. Perhaps not for the hot coffee, but there are some cups here. Large mirror, switch on the side for on and off. Lighting outside of the bathroom area. Coming in here around the corner, separate room for shower. Large rain style at the top and another down here, different modes for the shower, at least 3 in the center, and then a knob for the water. Drainage area on the bottom. Nothing special there. And a toilet. And so they advertised as a space efficient hotel, and that's what I'm seeing here, but not too small. Definitely bigger than an interior cruise room. A small trash can on this side, more lighting. Another view of the room. See around with the 360 view. Spacious area for the luggage, the couch, the light, and the king bed area with the TV. Here for 2 nights using Hilton points. Once again, no Hyatt Place or cheaper Hyatt in the area, so we're going with Hilton points. This time, as I have many from the Surpass credit cards with Amex. I have 2 of them. Got some sign-up bonuses as well. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.